Gather all the ingredients. Prepare the chicken marinade. In a bowl, combine the chicken pieces with soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and cornstarch. Mix well and set aside to marinate. Prepare the braising sauce. In a separate bowl, combine the water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and cornstarch. Mix together until the cornstarch is fully dissolved. Set aside. Sew mushrooms. Heat oil in a large frying pan or wok over medium heat. Add the dried mushrooms and sew until fragrant. Add 3 cups of water, bring to a simmer, and cook until the mushrooms are softened. Set aside. Braise the chicken. Add a little more oil to the pan if needed. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Along with the ginger and garlic. Stir fry until the chicken is lightly browned. Combine and simmer. Add the softened mushrooms and their cooking liquid to the pan with the chicken. Pour in the prepared braising sauce. Bring to a simmer. Then reduce the heat to low, cover, and braise for 15 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Garnish and serve. Stir in the spring onions. Ready to serve.